Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Dictation is an interesting feature that converts speech or voice to text on your iPhone. Thankfully, Apple Keyboard also supports the talk to text feature. Often the dictation feature stops working on iPhone, while many users have reported that they see an X mark when they tap on the dictation icon. For others, the microphone icon appears grayed out. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. The first thing that you must do if voice to text functionally isn't working on your iPhone is to restart it. Many times simply restarting the iPhone is enough to fix the issue of dictation on iPhone not working. To restart your phone, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Re-enable dictation in settings. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Keyboard, scroll down and turn on the toggle next to Enable Dictation. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Enable Dictation. If it's already on, turn off and turn it on again. Solution 3. Enable dictation language. To do this, open Settings app, tap on General, find and tap on Keyboard, tap on Keyboards followed by Add New Keyboard. Select the language that you want to add. Now go to Settings again, tap on General, tap on Keyboard, scroll down, tap on Dictation Languages, select the language in which you want to speak. To change the dictation language, touch and hold the microphone icon in the Apple Keyboard. Select the language that you want to switch to. Solution 4. Switch language English UK. Follow the first two steps of the above situation. Go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Keyboard, Add New Keyboard. Select English UK from the list. Then open the Apple Keyboard and touch and hold the microphone icon on the keyboard. Select English UK. Solution 5. Check screen time restriction. Open Settings app, find and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Allowed Apps. Enable the toggle next to Siri and Dictation. Solution 6. Turn off low power mode. Open Settings app, tap on Battery, turn off toggle next to low power mode. Solution 7. Update latest iOS version. To update, go to Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update available, download and install it. Solution 8. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset. Here, select Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.